A new assembly mirror command has been added to IronCAD 2025. This command is a little bit more powerful than your typical triball pattern, which just creates a pattern based on the current triball location. This command will actually create references to the plane or face used as the mirror plane. For example, we'll go ahead and create a mirror for our first part, which is an internal part about our plane that's our vertical plane. This could be a face or a datum plane, but in this case we have a datum plane, and we're going to select our part that we want to select. In this case it's underneath the assembly, so it'll give you a tree to allow you to select if you want to select the entire assembly or a particular part underneath that. You can see a preview of your results, and you have some options to allow you to do additional options. For example, this part is an internal part, so it's going to create a new internal part, and you can add a prefix or postfix to your part. In our case, we'll just add mirror to this and go ahead and hit OK. As you can see in our tree, we'll have the new mirror feature, and we can expand this and we'll see that it added the name mirror in front of our current part name. Let's recreate the process on an external file. For example, our part here is an externally linked file. In our folder, we're going to go ahead and create the assembly mirror, select our datum plane or face that we'd like to mirror about, select our part. Again, this is underneath our assembly, so we'll select that part. In this case, we'll go ahead and tell it to create a new externally linked part with the mirror attached to the name. And we get to define where the path is going to save this file. Once we go ahead and create this, we can see that we have our new mirror. And again, it added the name in front of the part name. It also added the name in the actual file that it created. This helps us keep them different from other parts in our system that are mirrors. And it also will allow us to set various things on this part properties for our mirror, such as it is a mirror part inside of here. So it can have a different part number and description versus our regular part. This is a nice new feature in IronCAD 2025 to have this mirror feature command that is fully associative to your datum planes. For example, we can take our part, select on our triball, and if we move our location, you'll notice that the other part that's mirrored will also locate and update properly based on the mirror plane.